Alright guys, what is up? And you join me today on this fucking cold Tuesday evening, midday, whatever time it is. Today we're going to be doing the first mod on the Volvo 340. You can see just behind me in the door. Got this absolute godsend with me, the almighty Haynes manual. I know, this should help me a lot. There's only 7 steps involved in what we're going to be doing today, but it's this channel, I'm sure it will go wrong. But, on with the video. Today we're going to be installing rear shock absorbers on the 340. These are Land Rover shocks, so they're made for a Land Rover 9, but they are the exact right length to fit on the rear of Volvo 340s. And obviously these are designed for a 2-ton car, and my car's 950 kgs, so they're stiff as fuck. So it'll be interesting to see what the ride quality's like on this. But yeah, on with the video. Okay, so apologise for the wind noise, by the way. As I said, it's a bit of a shit day, but 8488. Step 1, remove rear parcel shelf and fold the rear seat forward in order to gain access to the rear shock absorber upper mountings. Right, remove rear parcel shelf. How easy!
Wow!
And just like that. Right.
That's pretty impressive, actually.
Remove. Front seats need to go forwards.
Is it these?
Yes.
Yeah.
This whole bit.
Draw
the cover, then unscrew and remove 2 mounting nuts and washer photos. These are covers. Can you grab me a?
Or not. Sponsored by Lidl, Aldi.
Yeah, this is a 6 set, by the way. If you live in an Aldi. They should be paying me to say this, to be fair, but
yeah, but you know,
go buy these. It's like 20 quid, and you get all these parts. So good. Oh yeah, go check out the side. I'll do a bounce test for you, and you can see the before and after.
Oh, all right, let's.
So on the stock shocks. Remove the cover, unscrew, and remove 2 mounting nuts and washer photos. So I need I don't know, what do you reckon that is?
15?
14, I'd say, but.
Ooh, I'll get the socket set. Here you go. Place up for you. Production quality's already through the roof on this video right here. Broken both of them at the same time. Look at that.
Take a quick break after this, just to assemble my fish finger sandwich.
That's true.
Oh fuck me, that's a big washer. It's a big boy washer. It's really hard to get out when you can't feel your fucking finger. Those were a bit tired. I respect this car.
Are we going to be right back after this short commercial break whilst you get a fish finger sandwich? Because now it's jack up the car, isn't it?
Yes.
Awesome. Oh, well.
Let's hide this so no one knows there's tools inside.
So well hidden, I just want to say that nobody will be able to see the tools that are inside this vehicle. Well, you've done it now. This is a free cooking lesson with Hannah.
Okay, so
I wouldn't pay too close attention to this bit.
You want to get your toast in there. Then we need this bad boy, because it's going to be hot.
Let's take a look at the goods.
Plates. Courses, we're going to go with this one. We're feeling a bit of sriracha.
You fucking love sriracha, man.
A bit of ketchup. This is like empty.
Welcome to your house where you have a fridge that has like one thing in it.
Also, I'm going to spread that. Now we wait.
Hey!
Grab your tostadas.
Tostadas? That's not even toasted, that's like anemic.
Another 20 seconds will do. You want to sharpen your knife. A little trick I learned in the army.
You weren't in the army.
Yeah, I got no butter, so don't hate. Spread that back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that.
There's so much
place,
fucking shit.
compress.
There's so much.
And then here's where the magic happens. When you do the cut, the ketchup gets transferred onto that rim.
The knife gets transferred onto the floor as well.
And that is your perfect fish finger sandwich.
After that literal 5-minute lunch break, we're back. Back at it again. So,
Look.
I'm chilling the whole thing, man.
Yeah.
So, do you want me to hold the shock absorber?
Yeah, if you want.
Quick update.
Cannot get the bolt off the strap.
It's a little bitch.
So, we'll see what the situation is with these new struts I bought, what bolts they come with, and if we can use the bolts on this, then maybe angle grinding is an option. We'll see.
Well, it's always a good day when there's sparks in the video. Nice. Excellent work. That will twist. Yeah. As the shocks are on.
Shocks are on.
Yeah.
I did this side faster than
It's
the
not
two did
not
that
difficult. I mean, the shocks came with like
side. Washers.
Shut the fuck up. But we got it on, and Harry's gonna jump up and get down in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once I put this back in. Always keep your tools organised, otherwise shit goes wrong.
Basically, don't let me or Matt touch them.
Yeah.
Fuck off! I didn't do anything wrong.
This is the one that launched the 18 that way.
And this is the difference. Also, does it look lower?
The back
No. Well, fairly.
is maybe a little.
There might be a slight difference in height.
I'll take it out for a quick spin once we've packed up and you get my live reaction.
What do you think?
Of what?
How's the ride?
I don't know.
You're in the back!
He hasn't done anything yet.
We've driven.
Round the corner
Yeah?
at 5 miles an hour.
It's good enough!
Oh, it does feel.
I feel an improvement.
It does feel better on the rear.
I feel a vast improvement.
Rear's quite stiff now, but the front is really
Roll bar in the front of it.
yeah, a little one.
I'm in the back here.
Maniac!
Maniac, I nearly know about the fucking passenger side back door.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you? What are we at?
8.
8. 8 out of 10.
8. Yeah, it feels stiffer at the back. Front still sloppy.
Very sloppy.
Yeah, but
I'm fairly certain the back wheel came off at the roundabout.
okay. Right, so that is a video on installing rear shocks on Volvo 340. It's definitely stiffer at the back. Front, still got some issues there, but that will be sorted in videos to come. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Lots of videos on the Volvo 340 coming soon. We got the road trip video, which we are filming this Saturday,
Got a promised Brera review.
and a Brera review at some point. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next one.